I was on the ECV and wasn't really able to walk, and I was kind of feeling down that day.
This is our face after the second time. Like, you can only imagine how we were the first time. To enjoy our lunch.
And then dessert was next. We got two, so we could both try a little bit of each. So we're gonna divide it. Go.
You look so satisfied. The bomb part is weird,
But it has a weird taste.
We are now headed to standby Navi River journey for the very first time, so let's see what this queue has to offer. Let's go through and see this for the very first time. Oh, I love that it has fans. I don't know what these magnificent creatures are. What do you see down there?
It's like light.
Oh, maybe at night, right? Oh, I can't wait to come at night. Ah, it must look so beautiful. So pretty to get angles. This is the one thing that I like about not going through Fast Pass, is that it gives you so many time to take pictures, which we're gonna do right here, right now. Just the floating mountains just look so magnificent. Looking at them from this angle. And then the waterfalls. So we're coming into the place that's like a thatched roof with the lanterns. It looks beautiful. But look at the queue, it is humongous, it's so long. So FYI, while you're in the queue for Navi River journey towards kind of the middle of, or more past way the middle of the line, like she said, bring entertainment because there's really nothing to do. But what you will find is a water refill station, which is nice and handy, and a water fountain. So that's always good if you have your water, you have your water bottle, or if not, you'll find a water refill station. And they also have like a little tiny like selling kiosk thing. So that's another good thing to have in mind when you're waiting in the queue for Navi River journey. Probably can't hear because it's super loud in here and it's very hot. They do have some fans, as you can see, going like right up there, but not quite enough. I believe whenever it's an enclosed space like this, I do believe they should have much more and not have them as spaced out, because it's so crowded that the little fans that they do have is not really enough. So just keep that in mind. Be prepared to wait if you do not have a fast pass. But yes. Anything you want to add?
Bring entertainment. Their queue has nothing. You'd think that if it's new, it would have something. It doesn't.
There you go. There you have it. That is her advice. So we're finally about to go in, at least to the inside part of the queue. We're just waiting behind the magical red line. And then we're gonna be off. We're ready, right? We're ready to call it quits now. Don't worry, we're almost done. We're almost done. And I know this is going to be a super short ride, but hey, we couldn't have come all the way over here and not done it, right? Face up, Buttercup, cheer up.
And you know what?
I know. I'm excited. I'm tired. I'm super tired, and I feel my foot is swollen again. It is. So studios like we had said. We're just gonna go straight to the resort, relax, because we need to come back here again in the evening once Pandora is nighttime, because we want to see it. That's all we're coming. We're not really gonna ride anything. We're just gonna see the Pandora land just in its nighttime glory. So, what did you think about Navi River journey?
It was good. It was relaxing. I'm getting used to the lightness. It's dark in there, but I like it. It's relaxing.
Wasn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
It's pretty. It's just really short for the unfortunate long wait, but it is beautiful. It is a very beautiful, very colorful, very relaxing, but definitely way too long of a wait.
Yeah.
But yeah, so like I mentioned, we're now gonna head to the resort. We're gonna rest, and then we're gonna come back when it's nighttime, just so that we could see the whole land in its beautiful nighttime. Take pictures and then call it a night. Hey guys, so we came back to the room to rest before going back to the Disney park to Animal Kingdom. And my daughter went down to go get the little cart to do some laundry right before we leave tomorrow, so we can have clean clothes. And it is major thundering right now. I don't know if you were able to hear it. And then the wind is picking up. I hope, wow, really bad. I really hope we don't get really bad weather. I don't know if you're able to hear that, but it's windy and it's thundering and it was lightning. And I really hope it doesn't get bad, because I really do not. Oh, I hope the camera was able to catch that. Whoa, that was loud. Because if we really want to catch Pandora at night, and I really want to, I'm not going to have a chance if I don't do it today. There's just not going to be tomorrow, because like we showed you earlier, we have our flight tomorrow evening. So please, ooh, wow, I hope it captured that. My poor baby, she's like running. She went outside to go get the cart, because she's gonna go do the laundry, and the water probably is caught her on the way. Oh, poor baby. I hope you can see it. Wow. I mean, and it was sunny most of the day, most of the morning, up until right before we came from the park. It got a little like semi-cloudy, but wow, the rain really. And it's about 4:30 right now. It's true what they say about the thunder, the rain
Rain. Where am I? Whoa! That one was horrible. Let me go see if my daughter might be calling me because poor thing. I doubt it though. She might be busy trying to run. Oh, she did call me. Oh. ¿Qué pasó? I know. I saw. No. Where are you right now? Okay, no. Stay there, I guess, unless you want to come just without the cart and we'll do laundry. So, as you saw, I just got off the phone with my daughter. She's at the food court. She was on her way with the little cart, and of course, whoa, that was really bad thunder, like storm, like lightning. And she was on the way here with the cart, and then she just decided to stay there. Also, cast members, we're recommending people stay indoors. It's really, really windy. Lightning and wind is really bad. My daughter asked me, like, do you really want to go to the parks? I told her, well, of course, maybe the rain will stop, but yes, I really want to go because otherwise we won't be able to see Pandora at night. But I mean, I honestly hope it stops raining. I mean, look at the wind. It's so bad out, and it's raining really strongly. And the lightning is the most, what I'm fearful. And I mean, I haven't seen the weather. I've been, like, when I'm at Disney, I don't really keep up with news or anything or the outside world rarely. Like, normally what we watch while we're here on vacation is just like the Mickey Mouse classic cartoons that they put up. But I told her, and she was telling me, I love my daughter, I swear. She's like, just stay in there, because she knows that I get worried, and I don't feel comfortable for her to be over there, like, for us to be separated. She's like, just stay in there, and if I can't answer, it's because, the service is bad, and, that's why I don't think anything is bad. I'm fine. She said, I'm going to be here at the food court. There's cast members everywhere. And she said she has her phone with her and that it has enough battery. But still, like, I really want to get down to Pandora because, I mean, that's, like, one of the things, if you guys saw our, like, what are we most excited for video or something like that, I will link it up at the top in the info cards. That's one of the things that I was so excited for. And when I saw that flight of passage when we got on there, I mean, it was so beautiful. I still can't get over it. I'm so excited for it. And to see that the land during the day, it's just so gorgeous. The waterfalls, the foliage, the trees, everything. It's just magnificent. And it just sounds horrible. I just can't wait to see it, the luminescence, the glow in the dark, the everything at night. And I just hate to miss it. And we're off once more to Animal Kingdom. Come again after a few hours of rest and relaxation. We did some packing. My daughter helped with some laundry. And after the rain, look at that rainbow that's over there. Doesn't it look beautiful? You can see Star Wars Galaxy's Edge a little bit from here.
You can return your experience with Navi. You own the best expedition efforts. Legend of the Fuck.
Okay, so we're back at it. Now, in the evening, it is so much nicer to come in the evening because
It's not that hot. It's cold. Not cold, but it's like cool. Like, I don't know, it's better. And plus we're like refreshed and we have more energy now. It's not.
Yes.
Now we're all sweaty and it's like we've been out here all day.
yeah,
not
Nice.
exhausted. I even took like a 30-40 minute nap.
While I was doing laundry and talking to people.
Yeah, she was making friends at Pop Century. So that was nice. And it's so much nicer to come and do it like this, much more relaxed. And I know like they have a special event, special hours event for like a special ticketed event in the evening. And that's okay because we're not really interested in the rides or anything. We're just gonna walk around, take pictures, look at Pandora land. So that's fine. We're perfectly fine with this. And to eat at the Tuli Canteen, honestly. So we are perfectly fine with that.